Hi guys, my name is Irfan from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. What a day! Today's Friday and so many interesting things happened both on Goldie Incubator and my FDMO challenge. Yes, you heard right. I have a video for that is still haven't uploaded on my channel. That when I exactly started my FDMO challenge. It's just a 20,000 pound FDMO challenge. It's not 100k or 200k, and I'm going to show you the results of what exactly happened and what I did. But before that, I want to show you the trades that I took this morning on GBPUSD, and I want to share with you guys that how I did it. So after that, I show you the results for Goldie Incubator and also my FDMO challenge. So let's get into it right now. So this is 8 in the morning when I exactly woke up during the New York session, before New York session opens. And then I noticed that we have these lower lows and lower highs. So when I see this structure, I immediately change my bias towards going bearish, or I would say going short. But it's not necessarily the right thing to do, because you need to consider the other aspects like high probability supply zones and demand zones, and see where exactly the market is trying to go towards. Okay, so as you can see, we have these lower lows and lower highs, so I know that it's probably trying to go further down. But before that, I tried to notice all the high probability order blocks that we have, and the first thing I noticed was this one right here. So this is the first one. That is exactly right here. This is the first high probability order block that we have. Let me just extend it towards right. And as you can see, this is not valid anymore because we had a shadow that kind of broken below this level. So I'm going to remove this level. And the next thing is this one right here. So you need to really zoom in to find out that whether this candle really touched this zone or there's a gap in between. See, I need to really zoom in. And then I can notice that no, we have still a little bit of gap here. So this is still a high probability order block, guys. A lot of people don't see that. A lot of people literally don't see that. But I got lucky that I noticed this, that we have this high probability order block here, which is our high probability demand zone. So this is where I was targeting, and I kind of noticed that the market is probably trying to reach this level, and then I can take my buy position. So here we have this break of a structure, okay, and we don't have it, and we have this high probability order block here as well. So this is the high probability order block, which is really potential, and because the market is trending towards downside, we have a few break of structures towards downside. So I was waiting for these two levels that we have. Also, meanwhile, I was drawing my Fibonacci level to see where exactly we are, and then I noticed that we have this golden zone here. It got rejected towards downside. And then it could be a good sell position, but I wanted to take my sell position. And what happened, actually I did, and I took a loss for that. It was a very small loss, but what I did and what I noticed was this high probability order block here. Look at this one. Why? Because we had a huge spike towards upside. The next candle never tapped into this zone, so there's a gap in between. So that's why it makes it a high probability demand zone. And then after that, I noticed this bullish engulfing candle. So I knew that the price is probably trying to reach this level, although we have a bearish market. See, we have lower lows and lower highs, so it's a bearish trend. But just because of this high probability order block, and just because of this bullish engulfing candle that formed after this, I decided to take my long position here, and I did. I put my stop loss here. It was a very small trade. I actually took two trades. It was a 3 standard lot size trade. I want to show you everything, guys, don't worry about it. But I did 2 1.5 trades, like 1.5 lot size each, which is 3 in total, and then I accidentally closed one of them on 0, so I only had 1 trade, so I didn't re-enter the other one again. It was a 1.5, and then I waited for the price to tap into this level. It wasn't even a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but if I wanted to put my stop loss here, then yes, it would be a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. But I always say that in my videos, guys, that put your stop loss below or above high probability order blocks, not below the candle. You're safer, right? You're gonna sacrifice the RR, but at the same time you're more protected. And just look at this, and if I want to it's a 7 pivot stop loss. It's really normal to have this kind of stop loss, even though it's below this candle. And what happened after that was this. Look at this. It literally tapped into this level, but it closed my profit super early, somewhere around here, because the reason was that I kind of got freaked out because of the Fibonacci level that we had. If you remember, we had a Fibonacci level from here to here, and it was respecting the golden zone, and then after that we had a bearish engulfing candle. So I was really confused that, okay, is it going to respect this high probability demand zone, or is it going to respect the golden zone, which is towards the trend, and I'm trading opposite the trend. So this is what kind of concerned me, just because of this, that we have a bearish trend, it's respecting this golden zone, but what I did was taking a long position here just because of this high probability order block. But as you can see, it was successful. It actually tapped into my profit, my TP, but I closed it very early. It was a good profit. I'm not saying that I didn't make a profit, but it was a very smaller profit because I closed it earlier, and then after that I just stopped everything, and then I was watching the market. But since we have a bearish market, this is still a high probability supply zone. And then after that we have this bearish engulfing candle. I didn't take my trade. I could take it because, you know, I had to do something, so I wasn't behind the charts. I could put my stop loss here and my TP here one more time because we have a high probability order block here as well. But as you can see, it was a beautiful trade. It you know, liquidated all the buyers here who took their, you know, position here and put their stop loss here. They all got stopped out, and then after that, as you can see, it tapped into our next high probability demand zone. So this area would be a great trade if you wanted to take it, because you're trading according to the trend, you're trading exactly on a high probability supply zone, you have a bearish engulfing candle, you have some sort of consolidation, then you could have taken your sell position here, put your stop loss here and your TP somewhere out here. But what I did was I actually took my position here because I said, okay, it actually tapped into our demand zone, we have a bullish engulfing candle, but I'm still not sure, because but after this, you know, bearish momentum, I thought that, you know, I was probably trying to break this demand zone, but I would just waited, and then I noticed that we have another high probability order block from here to here. See, we had a huge spike, and then after that it literally tapped into this level, and then here we had a beautiful candle that just formed here. So I took my trade right here and put my stop loss here, and then I closed my profit here. It was a one-to-one trade, but I wanted to close it manually. For some reason I didn't, because it was already kind of late in the day and it was kind of out of my trading hour. And also we have a high probability order block here. See, we had a huge spike towards downside, we have bearish momentum, and then the next candle never tapped into the zone, so there's a huge gap in between, and we have a high probability supply zone here. So it was a one-to-one trade that I could take, and I did, but I closed it here, guys. But if I wanted to close it manually, I could literally take my trade here. It was a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio trade, which was absolutely amazing. But this is what I took it from here to here, and I just said, okay, I'm done for the day. I took my profit. It was like 4 profitable trades and 1 loss. And then after that it literally shot up, said, oh man, that would be a great profit. And right now it's actually right here, it's just going up and up and up, which is absolutely crazy. So if I wanted to leave a runner, I could definitely do that from here and put my stop loss here, and I could close the first one here, and I could you know, hold the runner for the second one all the way to here, and it would be a beautiful trade, and I could make it risk-free. So this is what my FTMO challenge looks like right now. This is the first week. We are done, 2.5% closed in profit. This FTMO challenge on a 20,000 pound account size, and also, yeah, 531 pounds in profit. We need to hit 2,000 pounds, so it's 2.5%. And also I have 1 month left, so if you make 2.5% every week, then you can hit your target in less than a month. You don't have to make like 2.5% every single week. You can make it, you can actually make more. But this week I was really cautious, and at the same time I was using an EA that is built to pass prop firm challenges. And if you want to learn more about it, shoot me a DM on my Instagram or send us a message on WhatsApp. You can find our number on our website, smartincubator.com, and then I can give you more information about the EA that I'm using. But these are the results so far. So we made over, like, you know, March 14th, all the way to April 12th. So you have 1 month. The first day we made 18 pounds. I was testing the EA 117, 166, 100, 100. So it's exactly around 100. If I wanted to trade manually, I probably would have passed it by now because we had really good setups this week. I could leave a runner. It was a beautiful, beautiful setup that happened every single day. But actually, I didn't do that. But 2.5%, still not bad. It's very good. And let's see what we can do next week. And the results for Goldie Incubator is here on our brand new account. On our $1,000 account that we literally installed it in March 7th, and today's date is March 18th. We are up 31% in profit, which in dollar is $311. And this is my VPS account. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, this is my VPS account, and these are the trades that it literally took during London session. See, it took a buy position here, buy position here, buy position here, and closed all of them here. And then after that, it didn't trade. So account history, all of these trades are dollar trades, 0.01 trades, and all of them got closing profit, and we didn't have any loss for today's date, which is absolutely really good. And you can try Goldie Incubator for 7 days for free. The only thing you need to do is to check out smartyincubator.com, grab your license, send us an email, and we'll manually activate your account. So if you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so next time when I upload a video, you'll get notified super fast. And I look forward to hearing back from you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.